I'm on the tower.
Moorabbin Tower, Cessna 172 Lima Sierra Papa, ready 17 right for city orbits.
Sierra Papa, line up.
Line up, Lima Sierra Papa.
Sierra Papa, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Lima Sierra Papa. Okay, everything's closed. Right to go. Seatbelts up.
Yep. Go to full power.
Moorabbin Tower.
Right, airspeed's alive. All temperatures and pressures are in the green. 60 knots. Up she goes.
Charlie X-ray, Moorabbin Tower. Route 8052. Clear to land.
Clear to land, 8052.
Okay.
Moorabbin Tower, Voyager Tango Yankee Delta at holding point. Go
There's my traffic.
217 right, ready for departure for the west.
That was a very nice takeoff.
Yankee Delta, hold position.
Hold position, Tango Yankee Delta.
Alright, about to talk to him.
Go for it.
That's Kilo.
Essendon Tower, Cessna 172 Lima Sierra Papa at Albert Park Lake 1500. Receive Kilo, request 1 left-hand city orbit.
Lima Sierra Papa, Essendon Tower, squawk ident, use caution, traffic in about your 11 o'clock, 2 miles heading towards the Point Ormond area coastal.
Squawking ident, Lima Sierra Papa, and looking for traffic.
Lima Sierra Papa, thank you. Sorry, left or right city orbit was it?
Left city orbit 1500 Lima Sierra Papa.
Lima Sierra Papa, sorry, missed it again, left or right?
Left hand, Lima Sierra Papa.
Lima Sierra Papa, cleared left city orbit 1500.
Cleared left city orbit 1500 Lima Sierra Papa.
X-ray Delta Zulu, straight into the 81 open, report on the ground to ground.
So I'll go straight over the MCG. See if there's a game on.
All stations, ground helicopter inbound at 81 pad, 2 minutes.
Last time I did the city orbit, I couldn't actually see too much.
Yeah.
It's a bit different this time.
Yeah, it's nice and bright, isn't it?
It is beautiful.
I'm going to go over the top of it. I don't know whether there's a game on here or not. I've never heard a female operator at Essendon either.
It's a beautiful city from the air.
It is, isn't it? It's great. So there's the Botanical Gardens, Government House, MCG. It's got players on it, mate.
It does.
So we might be on TV. There's hardly anybody there. You can't see that?
No.
I'll get over here.
That's okay, don't worry.
You see it?
Yes. You're right, it's empty.
Yeah.
From here you actually can see how they built Federation Square right over the train tracks.
Yeah, that's right. There's, is that Flemington? I don't think so. I think that might be Moonee Valley. See the racecourse there?
Yes.
You reckon that's Flemington?
I would say so.
Swing that around. Yeah, I think you're right. Gain a bit of height. We'll go out by a station pier and then shoot down the coast, okay?
Okay.
So there is... I can't get it around that far, that's alright. Just got it tightened up on that little nut at the bottom.
Right.
So if we go across the Balti Bridge, I think that's their normal point. Have a look at that, eh? There's Flemington, pretty sure.
Yep.
Just tighten that up for me.
Sure.
That's just across here, I think is good.
Docklands down there.
Yep. And Southern Cross Station.
Looks amazing, the roof.
Yeah. So Station Pier over here. My friend that I took, Tara.
Yeah.
See the place with the, looks like a boat on the roof, the
yes.
high rise? That's her place.
Okay.
Red Delta Zulu's on the ground, anyone?
X-ray Delta Zulu, thanks. Taxi to parking, is that it for today?
Have I got one more? I think around the 4 o'clock mark, thanks.
X-ray Delta Zulu.
Lima Sierra Papa is departing over Station Pier.
Lima Sierra Papa, control service terminated.
Control service terminated, Lima Sierra Papa.
Right, we'll shoot down the coast, eh?